Hello and welcome to our video on making money online. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, this video will provide you with the top tips for successful online ventures. We'll discuss various ways to make money online, as well as the key principles for building a profitable and sustainable online business. Part 1. Ways to make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online by offering your services to clients. This can include anything from writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients and get paid for your work. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services through platforms like Chegg and TutorMe. This is a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge with others. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Commission Junction make it easy to get started. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy and Teachable. This is a great way to monetize your knowledge and earn passive income. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products online through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify. This can include selling your own products or drop shipping products from other suppliers. Part 2. Key principles for building a successful online business. Find a profitable niche. It's important to identify a niche that has demand and is profitable. Conduct market research to understand what products or services are in demand, and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Build a strong brand. A strong brand is crucial for building a successful online business. This includes developing a unique brand identity, creating a professional website, and building a social media presence. Provide value. It's important to provide value to your customers by offering high-quality products or services and exceptional customer service. This will help you build a loyal customer base and earn repeat business. Invest in marketing. Marketing is essential for promoting your online business and reaching new customers. This can include paid advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. Continuously learn and adapt. The online world is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Continuously learn and adapt to stay ahead of the competition and grow your business. Part 3. Tips for successful online ventures. Set clear goals. It's important to set clear goals for your online venture, whether that's earning a certain amount of money or building a certain number of subscribers or customers. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Develop a routine. Developing a routine can help you stay productive and on track. Set a schedule for when you'll work on your online business, and stick to it as much as possible. Network with others. Networking with other online entrepreneurs can be a great way to learn and grow your business. Join online communities and attend networking events to connect with others in your industry. Don't be afraid to invest. Investing in your online business, whether that's through paid advertising or professional development courses, can help you grow faster and more effectively. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stay patient and persistent, and keep working towards your goals. Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same is true for online businesses. It can take months or even years to build a profitable online venture, but if you stay persistent and keep putting in the work, you will eventually see results. In conclusion, making money online is a viable option for anyone looking to earn extra income or start a full-time business. Whether you choose to freelance, offer online tutoring services, participate in affiliate marketing, sell online courses, or start an e-commerce business, there are countless opportunities available. To build a successful online venture, it's important to identify a profitable niche, build a strong brand, provide value to your customers, invest in marketing, and continuously learn and adapt. Additionally, setting clear goals, developing a routine, networking with others, investing in your business, and staying patient and persistent are key principles for success. We hope this video has provided you with valuable tips and insights on how to make money online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your online business goals. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your online venture.